What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Diablo East. I have no idea if I'm going to catch any fish today, but I'm going to fish the docks, fish around the cove, and it turns out I ran into Ricky today. So I'm going to be fishing with him. Hopefully we can land some fish. Hopefully another 4-pounder. Who knows? But with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Alright everyone, so I'm going to be starting off with these mini trench hogs that they came out with. I've never used them, so I'm going to try it out in this area, and if I don't get any bites, I'll switch up to, of course, a Cinco or see any other baits that I have and then fish the docks. Hopefully we can land one fish today. I have no idea if we're going to be able to land one. So I'm going to be trying out these new baits. Hopefully I can catch one, like I said. And I'm not sure there's any big fish here. I've probably fished here like one time, but not too sure. So we'll see if we can make something happen. Let's get to it. Well, everybody, as I literally stopped recording, I just fell pretty bad. I dropped my rod, everything. Literally when I stopped recording. The good stuff happens when I stop recording. So I've been fishing for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I haven't gotten any fish or any bites so far. So I'm gonna give this area not too much longer. And there's some good structure here, but they just don't want to commit. Or I guess there's no fish here. Just gonna give it like 15 more minutes or so and see if I can catch one. And then I'll head over to these docks right here, and then hopefully we can catch one there. But keep fishing, see if I can land one. Well, everybody, I just got my first bite of the day. He didn't pick it up, he just let it go. It was literally right here, right in front of me. It's been a struggle today. I'm really trying to try out these baits, see if they actually work. I'm the first bite I get, so see if we can land one. Really want to try and land at least one fish today. Hopefully we can though. Huh. Yeah, I think so.
And you include it?
Nah.
Okay.
Yeah. I know, right? There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Not a giant. I don't know. He might be pretty decent. Not a bad fish, actually. About 1.5 pounds. Oh, he's taking me in the middle. This fish is smart. Get in here, buddy. There we go. That fish had it for a while, but I let him eat it. Oh my gosh. I think I gut hooked him. Ricky was telling me how today might not be a video because I wasn't gonna catch a fish. And right after he said that, I set the hook and I got this guy. Now Ricky just needs to catch a fish. Hopefully he does though. I need to get the hook out of this. Look at that. He inhaled that thing. Not a bad fish though. Not a giant. I'll take it though. Been fishing for a while now. There you go, everybody. I was able to get the hook out because I did gut hook him. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go real quick. Swam off just fine. Not a bad fish. Pretty good fish, guys. See if we can catch another one. Hopefully we do. I don't just want to catch one fish for this video, so hopefully we can catch another one. All right, everyone, so I basically haven't caught any other fish with this bait. I've been fishing along these docks, and I know that's because there's no more fish that I want to eat, or I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to the Cinco here in a bit. Maybe try one other spot and see if we can land one. Not too sure whether these fish are still around these docks or not, but give it a shot. Make a few casts with the Cinco. So hopefully try and catch one more fish here at this dock. Fish for about another 20 minutes or so, and then I'll go ahead and make my way over to another spot. All right, everyone, so I went ahead and switched up to the Cinco that I always use. That's kind of like a bluegill color. I found some at the store the other day, so I'm gonna go ahead and fish with them for a while, see if I can land a fish. Fish these docks one more time around the area. Just fish a little more thoroughly.
But then for a while I didn't catch anything.
See?
Whoa.
I was like, why'd it stop? I ran out of line. Do I have a fish on? Is that a fish, guys? I think it's a fish. Second fish of the day. That is decent. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Ricky's all mad right now. Can I encourage you? Dude, he's fighting so hard. It's a smallmouth, I told you. There goes my Cinco in the water. Not a bad smallmouth, guys. Second fish of the day. He fought like a 3-pounder, I swear. These things fight so hard. Ricky has never caught a smallmouth. That's one thing I got on Ricky. Ricky's PB is like, what's your PB? Bruh, he doesn't even know his PB. His PB is like a 6-pounder. My 5'10", but he hasn't caught a smallmouth, and I have. So that's one thing I got on him. Not a bad fish. Very chunky fish, pure muscle. Oh my gosh, today has been a struggle, everybody. We have been fishing for like what, 3 hours, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been hard. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. Fought so hard. I don't think we're gonna be able to catch another one. Hopefully we do, but it's been a struggle, guys. Hopefully we catch another one though. There you go, guys. Third fish of the day. No, Bro, you looked up so quick. Alright everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. At least I caught 2 fish today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.